Welcome to week 5 of AP 50. This week we'll be studying the nervous system, um, nerve cells, central nervous system, which is the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which would be the other nerves in the rest of the body. Um, One of the first things this week in your week module is the satisfaction survey. Um, I would appreciate it if you would take the time to look at this class satisfaction survey and let me know what you like about the class and what you don't like, so that at this time I might make a few changes if I'm able to do that. So please take a look at that. One of the assignments you have this week is on neurotransmitters. And for this, there are some links to articles. We're going to be looking at chemical substances such as cocaine and alcohol, Prozac, and sugar. So you have some articles that give you the information you need to complete a table like this. You need to draw a table using grid lines and look at each of these chemical substances, and then you're going to put what neurotransmitter is going to bring about the effects of that chemical. So first, we'll look at cocaine. The article that I've linked to will tell you the neurotransmitter that's affected. You're going to tell whether cocaine causes that neurotransmitter to increase or decrease. And then what effect does cocaine have on the body because of that neurotransmitter? Same thing with alcohol. There are 3 important neurotransmitters that mediate the effects of alcohol. And each one you're going to tell whether that neurotransmitter is increased or decreased with alcohol. So the answers won't be the same for each of the neurotransmitters. And then each one will have separate effects on the body. You'll be doing the same thing for Prozac and for sugar. So that's an important activity for this week. You also have quite a few models in your lab area. So make sure this shows you have some nerve cells, and you have neuron models, brain models from different angles. So be sure that you study those as well. We did skip chapters 5 and 6 on bones and muscles, and those will be picked up at the end of the semester. So I wish you a good week 5, and as always, if you have questions, please send me a message to the inbox. Thank you.